Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I have worked before in Philippines 10 years as a sales clerk, sales crew or sales lady like that. Then I have worked also as a caregiver for years of one family, Filipino family. Then after that I came here in Dubai working as cleaners. Then I will be finished this September my contract, first week of September.
Can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities while on this job being a cleaner?
Being a cleaner, I clean in morning, clean dishes, clean all around inside this villa and washing clothes like that
And
within 8 hours.
how long did you work with them?
I work 8 hours.
With this employer, how long? This company.
How long? 2 years.
And why you decided not to continue your contract?
Because I want a little bit high salary.
How much salary are you looking for?
2,000 up.
Why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve this amount?
Because I want high my salary so that I can support my family in Philippines, everything.
What is your favorite task? Is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning, also babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
Filipino food only.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
I get a thermometer. I will check her temperature if she's sick or not.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
Or I want to call his mother why she is crying. Then check if she's sick or not.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies. Um, my hobbies playing or watching, going anywhere like that.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years you want to work?
As long as I want to work here in Dubai.
Like
Like
how many years?
how many years? Like um 8 years, 10 like that.
Why do you think you should be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
I do my work very nicely and I do as I will do as long as I can.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.